Come breed a cow with me. Got my thermos, my 2 thermometers to heat up the water with because I'm not spoiled enough to have an electric heater. I will be breeding Lucy today. Let's check the water and see if it's hot. I also keep the water running as I do this so that there's no drastic change from one cup to the next. It's a very sensitive thing. Usually I shoot for between 95 and 100. Obviously, since it's warmer out, it's less of a concern because it's not going to cool down quickly. My instant read thermometer, that's pretty good. It's a very delicate process because this semen is frozen in liquid nitrogen. And they followed me up to the house. But it's frozen in liquid nitrogen, so when you're thawing it, you don't want it to be too hot because then you'll kill them as they are coming out of being frozen. The next thing I do is make sure that my sheath is accessible, make sure that my breeding gun is ready to be loaded. I have paper towels, which I will be using, gloves. I need these to pull it out of the tank, and scissors to cut. If I can actually keep my phone standing up while I do this, because I'm using redneck ingenuity to prop it up. Selecting one here, tap it, put it in, set the timer for 1 minute. This thawing, I also prepped my paper towels, and the time is up, so I'm going to pull it out, cut it, and put it in the gun. Once I have the gun loaded, I wrap a paper towel around the end of it, and then I stick it in my shirt. Got the glove, some paper towels in my pocket, and I am ready to go. Husband just got home from picking up the rabbit, and apparently he didn't know that I was in the pole barn, and I just scared the crap out of him. But anyway, now I have to go down to the barn, and yeah. I also mentioned this before, I know this irrational anger of wind in the area. It's really not a healthy thing. I was also under the impression that the wind was supposed to subside today, so this is not supposed to be happening right now. But this is my victim. And this sweet little girl is in my way. Get some lubricant and ready to go. Located the cervix. And I know when you flip the camera around, it does some weird things, but my left arm is inside of her, not my right arm. But I've got the gun into place. Feels good to me. I really should put my hair up before I did this. I didn't think about that. Luckily, I came out relatively unscathed, just my arm. Sometimes I get covered all down the front. This is what the straw looks like, front here. Put it all back for the next time.